Is your Roomba i7 not docking or charging? First, ensure the charging base has power. Check the AC adapter, which should be 19 volts and 1.8 amps, is securely plugged into both the base and the wall outlet. Confirm the base's power light is solid green. If there's no light, try a different outlet and reset the base by unplugging it for 30 seconds. Clean the charging contacts on the base and Roomba. Make sure there is no debris or obstructions around the base. Double-check the Roomba's battery contacts for corrosion. These are the initial checks to ensure a successful physical connection for charging. Cases like Sarah K's in 2024 show that often a simple reset resolves the problem. If the physical connections are fine, the issue might be software-related. Open the Roomba app, version 2.4.8 or later, and check for available firmware updates. iRobot Firmware Update 3.112.8, released early 2025, specifically targets charging inconsistencies. Connect your Roomba to Wi-Fi and initiate the update through the app. Reboot both the robot and base afterwards. According to iRobot's data, recent firmware updates have resolved 70% of docking failures. For persistent problems, especially in older units pre-2023, worn charging contacts might need replacement, or the base may be overheating, triggering a safety shutdown. If updates don't work, consider contacting iRobot support. Recent reports show that over 80% of users fix issues via app guides alone, so try that before investing in repairs.